Rikiddo TV.
Hi there, kiddos! Welcome to our super fun and exciting video where we're going to explore vehicles from A to Z. That's right, today we're learning the names and cool descriptions of all kinds of awesome vehicles, from A for ambulance to Z for Zamboni. Whether you love cars, trucks, planes, or even spaceships, this video is packed with fun facts and colorful animations to help you learn and have a blast. So buckle up, put on your imaginary seatbelt, and let's zoom into the world of vehicles together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun adventures. Now, let's get started. Ready, set, go.
A for ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle equipped to provide emergency medical care and transport patients to hospitals. B for bus. A bus is a large motor vehicle designed to carry passengers along a fixed route. C for car. A car is a wheeled motor vehicle used for transportation. D for dump truck. A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed for transporting and unloading loose materials like sand, gravel, or debris. E for excavator. An excavator is a heavy construction machine with a boom, dipper, and bucket used for digging and moving large amounts of earth or debris. F for fire truck. A fire truck is a specialized vehicle equipped with tools and equipment to respond to fires and other emergencies. G for golf cart. A golf cart is a small motorized vehicle designed to carry golfers and their equipment around a golf course. H for helicopter. A helicopter is a type of aircraft that uses rotating blades to take off, land, and hover, allowing for vertical flight and maneuverability. I for ice cream truck. An ice cream truck is a mobile vehicle that sells ice cream and other frozen treats, often playing music to attract customers. J for jet ski. A jet ski is a small, fast personal watercraft designed for riding on water, typically used for recreation or sport. K for kart, go-kart. A go-kart is a small, lightweight, four-wheeled vehicle used for racing or recreational driving, often on specialized tracks. L for lawn mower. A lawn mower is a machine designed to cut grass to an even height, commonly used for maintaining lawns and gardens. M for monster truck. A monster truck is a large, customized vehicle with oversized tires, designed for stunts, racing, and entertainment events. N for night bus. A bus service that operates during nighttime hours, providing transportation when regular services are unavailable. O for off-road vehicle. A vehicle designed to travel on rough terrain, such as dirt, sand, or rocks, rather than paved roads. P for police car. A vehicle used by law enforcement to patrol, respond to emergencies, and transport officers or suspects. Q for quad bike. A four-wheeled all-terrain vehicle, ATV, used for recreation, farming, or off-road travel. R for rocket. A vehicle or device propelled by engines that produce thrust, used for space exploration or military purposes. S for school bus. A bus specifically designed to transport students to and from school, often painted yellow for visibility. T for tank. A heavily armored military vehicle with tracks and a rotating turret, used for combat on land. U for UTV, utility task vehicle. A small, rugged vehicle designed for off-road tasks, often used in farming, construction, or recreation. V for van. A medium-sized motor vehicle with a boxy shape, used for transporting goods or passengers. W for water scooter. Another term for a personal watercraft, like a jet ski, used for riding on water. X for X-Wing, Star Wars. A fictional starfighter from the Star Wars universe, known for its distinctive X-shaped wings. Y for yellow cab. A taxi painted yellow, commonly used for public transportation in cities. Z for Zamboni, ice resurfacing machine. A vehicle used to clean and smooth the surface of ice rinks, typically in skating or hockey arenas.
Well, that's it for today, kiddos. We hope you've learned your alphabets from A to Z and discovered some unique and amazing vehicle names along the way. Thanks for joining us on this fun ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and learning. See you in the next video.
I can walk, oh, I can walk, I can bob, yeah. I can bob, I can walk, and I can bob, look at what I can do. Oh, I can jump, oh, I can jump, I can turn, yeah. I can turn, I can jump, and I can turn, look at what I can do. Yes, I can swim, to I stay afloat. I can paddle, like I'm in a boat. I can climb, to reach the top. Look at what I can do. What I can do, what I can do, I can climb, to reach the top. Look at what I can do.